take it and run with it. So I'm gonna try one out here. I've got my iron in this hot lard, and I'm just gonna dip it in this batter. You can hear it. That's it. Adhering to the iron. Again, I'm trying to avoid it coming up over the top of the iron so that when I put it in, it slides right off.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah, so when you put the iron in, it just slowly kind of slid off, and it...
Yeah.
It's almost like art to that.
Right off, but you can see how light the batter is when it applies to the iron.
It's almost like a blossoming flower.
It is,
coming
yeah,
up.
very much so. And that one's getting brown enough that you probably go ahead and take it out. It doesn't take
literally
much
like
time.
10
Yeah,
15
I
seconds.
know. They're so soft and so delicate that they fry up really quickly. Do a few more here. But you can see that we've already made, we're on our third one here, and we've hardly, touched the amount of batter that we made.
Yeah,
so
and this is half the recipe.
half the recipe. So I mean, I'm on track here to make about 300 of these things.
So as soon as they get kind of a golden color, you take them out.
Yeah, you can tell by the color, and also when you kind of pick them up with your tongs, you can tell that they're crispy and that they're firm enough that they can be taken out.